we're finally putting the lip on the car, and the first thing we need to do is put on the 3M tape, pretty much all the way over here. It goes around here, under here as well. Now, you should pretty much sand, I think with like 60 grit, like sand the bottom of this where the tape is gonna be going. You sand it, and then you sand as well, like the inside of the car, of the bumper. You sand that, then you sand here so it can adhere better, it can stick better. As you can tell, my lip is still not painted. I'm not gonna paint it yet because I'm waiting to see if I want it to match the color of the car or if I just want it gloss black, like my mirrors, like my roof, and you know, with the girl I'm gonna be getting, with that, it'll match all that. So black accents, and then my side splitters. So if you guys want it so it can stick better, sand it down. And after you sand it down, clean it with water, soap, everything. Then you let it dry. Make sure it's really, really dry. I'll be using this to cut the pieces. I've got a scissor right now, so take. So let's do this side. This much for this side. Alright, well, so the tape started coming off. So I got my sandpaper and I already started, but I'm gonna sand a little bit here. And I'm gonna clean it with some water. Like heat up this part so it can heat up and put the tape on so it can stick better. I try to do this with one hand, but that's what you want to do. You will come here. That side's gonna hang. That side's gonna hang. This is where the screw goes in, so pretty much you line it up. All right, there she is. Finally with her lip on. So like I told you guys, you put one screw here. You could put another one here in the bottom as well. So 2 screws here and 2 on the other side. I only put 1 because it's on there pretty good. And I'm thinking, I don't know if I should put like a screw on the bottom of here, or like for example 1 here and 1 there, or I don't know, because that tape is not doing pretty much anything. That tape sucks. Just do it with a screwdriver. One of those screwdrivers, it's easy. Just put a bit of pressure and you're fine. Idea of what to do, to something to do to this lip that's gonna make it look even better. The lip is good, like the fitment, let me see if I show you. Like the fitment is there, it's like super tight. Even in this corner here. Right there. I only push it goes up to here. The only thing, that's why I wanted to put a screw here. It's like this little gap right here. It's not, you can't see it, but I mean, if you push it in, it disappears. But the tape or the thing is not holding, so you gotta see what I do with that. But yeah, other than that, guys, we're golden. So let me know what you guys think of the lip. Again, should I paint it white or keep it black? Now you see it on the car like that. Just imagine this black with a black grill and let me know. But I'm gonna catch you guys next time. I hope you liked the video. Comment down below what you think, and I'll see you guys next time.